Hi! In this lesson, we're going to learn about los artículos determinados, which are the definite articles in English. So we have masculine and feminine, and we also have singular and plural. So the masculine part goes el, los, and the feminine, la, las. It's also important to keep in mind that whenever we have the prepositions a or de in Spanish before the masculine article el, we're going to put these two words together, resulting in al and del. This does not happen for all the other cases as in plural or the feminine. Here I bring you an example. We have el lápiz, which is masculine singular. And then we have la punta del lápiz. Or sácale punta al lápiz. You can see that I have written in red de el a el because del and al are the fusion of these two words. However, it is in red because we can never say de el or a el. It would be considered incorrect in Spanish. Now, always pay attention. It is not the same saying dile al hombre, which comes from dile a el hombre, than saying dile a él, which comes from a él. One is preposition plus article, and the other one is preposition plus personal pronoun. Then we have that feminine substantives that start with a stressed a will switch the article la for el. This does not mean that the word changes from feminine to masculine, okay? So we have el águila, las plumas del águila. So you can see that the rules that correspond to el will still apply in this case. However, the word continues to be feminine, as I said before. Therefore, la hermosa águila is going to be feminine. Esta águila, it's going to be feminine. And also, if we use an adjective to describe it, it's gonna be feminine, as in el águila es hermosa. I have underlined the parts that demonstrate that the word is feminine with the a. Now let's see some of the cases in which we can use the definite articles in Spanish. To begin with, we have to refer to things that we already mentioned before, as in el libro que me prestaste. We also use definite articles to refer to something in a general manner, as in los animales son seres increíbles. It's also used to indicate time, day, or date, as in el lunes a las 3 p.m. or el lunes a las 3 de la tarde. It's important to mention that the days of the week are not capitalized in Spanish. Then we have titles or any form of respect, as in la señora María, el rey de Francia. We also use them for family names when they are referred to in plural. For example, García, los García. Notice that in Spanish, the last names do not take an S or any plural form for that matter. They only use the definite article in plural. And the last one is that we use definite articles for regions, mountains, mounds, rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. As an example, we have el Océano Atlántico. Thank you again for joining me. Here you have my social media. If you like it, I would love to see the thumbs up, and you can subscribe so we can keep learning together. See you next time.